Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to edit multiple photos in iPhone iOS 16 the fastest way possible. So let's get started. The first thing we can do is go to our photos here. We have two cat photos right here. These are two same cat photos. So let's say we want to edit one and we also want to edit the second one at the same time, right? So what we will do, so go to three dots here, or actually you can go to edit here, and then let's edit this photo out. So let's put some exposure, let's put some brilliance here, let's put some highlights, right? And let's put some shadows right here like that. Okay, let's say we're done with editing. As you can see, we have two different photos. First one is edited, the second one is not edited, right, at all. So what we can do here is we can tap three dots, we can copy edits, we can go to this photo and we can paste edits. Now these two photos have the same edits, and that's really awesome feature that iOS 16 allows us to have, where you can copy and paste edits. Now I can also go to another photo and again paste edits and again and again and again. So that's pretty much awesome, right? So let's say I'm going here, I can paste edits here as well, right? So that's pretty much it. This is how to edit multiple photos in iPhone iOS 16 the fastest way possible. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.